TopBrokers.com. Microsoft adds ChatGPT technology to the developer platform. Initially, Reuters claimed that Microsoft had continued incorporating ChatGPT technology into a developer platform. Particularly, the Power Platform program, which is used to construct applications, now incorporates and bundles the OpenAI technology. As a result of the system's enormous success, Microsoft has kept growing its ChatGPT integrated solutions. Microsoft provides ChatGPT to developers. ChatGPT has become the talk of the tech industry on many fronts since its launch in November. Its technological innovations completely blew consumers away, creating a market for apps with similar features. As a result, numerous businesses and investment organizations are looking for methods to cash in on the hype around generative AI. One of the corporations most profiting had previously made an investment into the research firm behind the invention. Microsoft has now added ChatGPT to a developer platform as part of its ongoing integration efforts. According to Reuters, the business has specifically incorporated the technology into its Power Platform. Also, the program includes a developer tool that enables the development of applications without the need for complicated coding. Similarly integrating with the company's AI Builder and Power Virtual Agent solutions. The development consequently represents yet another point of synergy between Microsoft and generative AI. Also, it appears to have started an AI weapons race, as proposals for some form of generative AI system have been announced by everyone from Google to Meta. ChatGPT has invested heavily in developer tools, with a Microsoft announcement coming after its release of an apartment. Moreover, that announcement has shown a host of companies using the technology in interesting ways within their own services or applications. Learn more about ChatGPT and how to use it for trading at TopBrokers.com. Thanks for watching.